Have you ever wondered how meditation can change your life? Imagine an ancient practice with the power to reduce stress, sharpen focus, and improve overall well-being. This is the transformative power of meditation. Rooted in centuries-old traditions, meditation is more than just a fad. It's a journey towards self-discovery and peace. We live in a world filled with distractions where our minds are constantly buzzing. This is where meditation comes to the rescue. It helps in quieting the noise, bringing a sense of calm and tranquility. Whether you're young or old, meditation doesn't discriminate. It's a tool that anyone can learn and incorporate into their lifestyle, regardless of age or background. Meditation is like a seed. When nurtured, it grows into a sanctuary of serenity within you, a refuge from the storm of everyday life. Now that you know how powerful meditation can be, wouldn't you want to learn how to do it? Before you start meditating, it's important to prepare your mind and body. Picture this: a serene sanctuary where tranquility resides and noise fades into oblivion. This is the kind of environment you should aim to create for your meditation. It doesn't necessarily have to be a secluded forest or a Zen garden. It could be a corner in your home, a spot in your garden, or even a quiet room at your workplace. The goal is to find a place where you feel comfortable and relaxed, a place where you can disconnect from the hustle and bustle of the world. Speaking of comfort, let's not forget about your attire. Loose, breathable clothes can help you relax and focus better on the task at hand. And then there's the matter of timing. Choose a time when you're least likely to be disturbed. Morning or evening, it's entirely up to you. Just make sure to switch off any potential distractions like your phone or other electronic devices. Remember, this is your time to connect with your inner self. Once you've prepared your environment, it's time to prepare your mind. Now let's focus on getting your mind ready for meditation. It's crucial to approach meditation with a clear and open mind. This doesn't mean you must have no thoughts. Rather, it's about creating a space where your thoughts can exist without overwhelming you. A great way to achieve this is through techniques like deep breathing and visualization. Deep breathing helps to calm your body and mind, creating a relaxed state that's ideal for meditation. Simply focus on your breath, inhaling and exhaling slowly and deeply. Visualization, on the other hand, can help you to create a peaceful mental space. Imagine yourself in a serene setting, like a forest or a beach. Let the tranquility of this imagined place wash over you, calming your mind and preparing it for meditation. Remember, during meditation, thoughts will inevitably arise. This is perfectly normal. The aim is not to resist these thoughts, but to acknowledge them and let them pass, maintaining your focus on your breath or visualization. With your mind prepared, you're ready to begin your meditation. Now it's time to dive into the process of meditation. Let's start with finding a comfortable sitting position. It could be on a cushion, a chair, or directly on the ground. The key is to maintain a posture where you can be both relaxed and alert. Once you're settled, gently close your eyes. This reduces visual distractions and helps you focus inward. Next, shift your attention to your breath. Notice the sensation of the breath as it enters and leaves your body. Don't try to control it, just observe. The breath serves as an anchor, keeping you grounded in the present moment. Inevitably, your mind will wander. You'll start thinking about your to-do list, a recent argument, or what you'll have for dinner. That's okay. Meditation isn't about emptying the mind, but rather about observing thoughts without judgment. When you notice your mind has wandered, simply acknowledge the thought and gently return your focus to the breath. This cycle of noticing and returning is the heart of meditation. It's like a gym workout for your mind, strengthening your ability to focus and fostering a sense of inner peace. It's important to note that there's no right or wrong way to meditate. Some days it might feel easy, other days it might feel like a struggle, but that's all part of the process. Remember, meditation is a practice and it gets easier with time. So, to recap, here's what we've learned about meditation. The practice of meditation empowers us to live more mindful, peaceful lives. Preparation is essential, creating a serene environment and wearing comfortable clothing. It's crucial to cultivate the right mindset, focusing on positivity and openness. The meditation process itself involves mindful breathing and intentional focus. With these steps in mind, you're now ready to embark on your meditation journey. Remember, the key to successful meditation is consistency and patience.